If you don't know these words, trust me, you might be embarrassing yourself online. These 5 words don't mean what most people think, and using them wrong is how professionals look clueless online. Cringe isn't just awkward, it signals that something feels socially off. It's a reminder to stay attuned to the energy in the room. In the boardroom, a forced joke doesn't just fall flat, it's cringe. It can shift the dynamic in seconds. Sus isn't just suspicious, it means there's a lack of trust in the room. When something's sus, trust breaks fast. Unclear data in a report? That's sus. It signals to your team that something isn't adding up. Calling someone based is a nod to their authenticity. It says they aren't just following the crowd. When a leader makes a controversial but honest call, that's based. It's a compliment for professional courage. Low-key is for those subtle moves that signal intensity without the noise. It's about being effective without being loud. I'm low-key excited about the merger means you're all in, but you're keeping your professional cool. Touch grass is a reality check for when someone has lost perspective. It's about getting back to the basics. When the online drama spills into the office, it's a reminder to step back and regain perspective. Master these 5 words to stay sharp, stay relevant, and never look clueless in a digital world. Welcome to English Corner. If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.